Hello and welcome to PUSH. My name is Matt. We're going to do a quick run through on how to install a wheel on the PUSH 9.1 fork. First thing you might notice is we have instructions lasered onto our axle. This gives you the procedure and the torque specifications for the pinch bolts. Before we put on the wheel, I want to talk about how the inverted design allows your dropouts to rotate independently from each other. This is not a problem, it's just sometimes you will need to adjust them to properly align everything. With the lugs roughly aligned, we'll put in the wheel, just as we would on a typical fork. Then slide the axle through the drive side lug. The axle on the PUSH 9.1 fork uses a floating design. That means each leg is independent of the tension of the axle. For best performance, we recommend a 3-step process for properly torquing the axle. Step 1 is to install the axle nut. This is done from the brake side using a 4mm hex key, while we torque the axle bolt to 5 Nm or 44 inch-pounds. Next, we'll torque the axle pinch bolts on the brake side lug. These are torqued to 5 Nm or 44 inch-pounds. It's best to alternate between the two bolts, torquing the first one, second, then come back to the first and back to the second. Before we move to the third and final step of tightening the drive side pinch bolts, you can pull the leg in and out and see how it floats on the axle. Once the lug is in a neutral resting position, we will torque the pinch bolts similar to the brake side lug. We'll go to 5 Nm or 44 inch-pounds by alternating first bolt, second bolt, first bolt, second bolt. And after that, you're ready to ride.